Hello, welcome to the Science and Heritage Cluster demonstrator. In this demonstration, I'm just really going to go through the demonstrator that we've done as an output for the Science and Heritage Cluster. It describes an idea of looking at information through different means using alternative representations, especially applied to science and heritage. The cluster itself was the whole idea was to bring scientists and stakeholders together to interact with each other and to look at the challenges and opportunities within alternative representations for science and heritage, and hopefully develop some new ideas and ideas of using multimodal techniques, different representation techniques, etc. In this particular challenge, we're really looking at the way to use alternative representations, multiple views, and we believe that this can be play a significant role in science and heritage research, in understanding and allowing people to interpret the data through different means. So let's have a look at the demonstrator itself. We're going to have a look and just see what we've done. Okay, let's have a look at this tool that was created for the Science and Heritage Cluster on alternative representations. The whole idea of the tool is to look at different ways to represent a site. In this case, we've got Dinas Dinklage, which is in North Wales, near Carnarvon, and it's a site of a hill fort. And we have a visualization representation of what the hill fort might have looked like, showing that it's very close to the sea. And there's different ways to look at this material, different representation techniques that we can do. So let's have a look at some of these ways of looking at them, at the same material. So we're clicking here, we're going to see some sketches, and we can see that there's different sketches showing the outer walls and some of the perhaps artifacts and ways that they would have done the building of the walls and how the ramparts on the top might have formed. We go back, we could show drawings of some of the later drawings, profile of what it might have looked like. We also have some data that we've got. There's different things that we can represent. We can look at the same site through LiDAR data or through aerial imagery, through some mapping techniques that we can look at the land and the sea, and how the LiDAR maps onto the land. This hopefully gives you a different representation of the actual image of the actual site. So there's lots of different ways to represent the same information. This is another few set of images that actually shows what it looks like now, today. The public can go and look at that, and we can browse and see what it looks like. And another challenge is also that as it's a coastal site, it's so close to the sea, and parts of it have been eroded away. Let's go back, look at some historical photographs of different things in the local area and how they might have related to the site and how the site's changed over the years. Perhaps some sort of site reconstruction in different places, how perhaps some of the buildings could have been formed. So there's obviously lots of information, lots of heterogeneous different types of data sets that we can bring in together and have a look at the same site through different means. And that's the whole idea, really. We're looking at the same information, the same site, using different types of sensoring devices, sketches, illustrations, and reference material. Okay, so thanks very much for listening.